Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be painting the car in a black. So basically it just gets the whole car single color, get a nice even coat along the thing to really just cover anything up. And then that way we can wrap the car with a just a nice basic coat of base paint on it. So if we ever unwrap it, it'll be like a nice gloss black. And we don't have to worry about anything being different colors because we threw on some body parts and they're all red or black. So to get rid of that, we just gonna paint it. So obviously you can see behind me we have the booth set up. So here's the booth. Nothing too fancy. Basically just hung some plastic from the roof. And then right here we have the car all taped off. So I got the windshield taped off. Got some paper stuffed in there. Tape there. Tape on the bottom grill. Got the wheels off and then the brake components and suspension on all four wheels covered in plastic and tape. Got any holes covered up over here, latches covered, windows covered. Same thing for that wheel. Latches covered again. Some tape on the paper on the back windshield. Got all this stuff covered. I'm gonna paint the finisher later. Now that latch covered, door covered. Got the whole car taped off here. In a second you'll see the time lapse of us doing all of the taping off and the prep, the sanding. So you'll see all the sanding, you'll see all the prep. Last thing we need to do right here before we paint it actually is take some tack cloth and some cleaner and get the whole car free of any dust and all that good stuff. And then once we do that, we'll paint it. I can't really show the painting because the camera, I don't want to get paint on or anything because the paint goes everywhere. So you'll see the car fully done in a second here. But yeah, so this is last step. Well, second to last step. Next we're gonna wrap it and the car will be completely done, and we're pretty excited for the first race end of March. So yeah,